Word problem example number 5. The base of an isosceles triangle is 8 centimeters. The perimeter of the triangle is 38 centimeters. Find the length of the equal sides. Okay, so there's the clue there, equal sides. That's because in an isosceles triangle, there are two sides that are equal. So let me just draw an illustration out of that. I know I am trying. I am so sorry for this illustration. So let's just say the equal sides are this. Since we don't know the length of the equal sides, that means I will just represent those sides as x and x. They are equal. According to the problem, the base side is equal to 8 centimeters. So I'm going to write 8 here. Now, another information that we know here is that the perimeter of the triangle is 38 centimeters. So what do we know about the perimeter? Of course, there's a formula for that. And in general, how do we know or how do we compute the perimeter of any polygon? In this case, is a triangle. We simply add the three sides, meaning x plus x. We don't know those two. We know the 8. X plus 8. Those are the three sides. And if we add those three, it says that the answer or the perimeter is 38. That's our equation. So what I'm going to do here is I will add the two x's. That'll just be 2x. Now I will remove the 8 and the 2. The 8 first because that's farther from 2. So that's a positive 8. I will add negative 8 on both sides, the inverse of that. So 2x equals 30, right? Then divided by 2. We want to remove the 2 this time. So x equals 15.